Hello guys, welcome to my channel yarimughal. I hope you all are well. Today I provide 1.85 plus GB menu template in PSD file. I divide it into different categories and sizes. First of all, I show their properties. Their size is 1.86 GB. Now I show some preview. Bi-Fold menu, poster, trifold and food menu, outback, A3 size, Adobe Illustrator, house letter, table tent, US letter, Lusa menu template, A3 size, tabloid, restaurant menu, breakfast, salad, pizza, grills, desserts, and PSD. At last, I have A4 size US letter front and back side. For example, I open it, pizza. Now you see many layer. In layer area you can edit any of this layer. If you want to replace any text according to you, simply go to toolbar and select text tool and replace it. And same like it, you can edit any of this template. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.